Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of HelloNote's tutorial series. We're excited to share some fantastic updates to our CPT codes with you. You can now assign the same code to multiple note types, simplifying your workflow like never before. Join us as we explore how this new feature can enhance your experience and make your work even more efficient. Start by clicking on Settings in the left sidebar, and then select Treatment's CPT code. On the CPT code page, click Add Treatment and fill in the required fields. I'll demonstrate with the code number 123456789 to keep it simple. Next, click on the drop-down menu for Show for Note Types and toggle the checkboxes for Evaluation Note, Daily Note, Re-Evaluation Note, and Progress Note. After saving, navigate to our patient list and select the desired patient. Click on Notes to access their case list along with the notes. I'll proceed by selecting the demo case titled Workout and verify if the newly created CPT code appears for its evaluation note. Click on the Actions button and choose View Edit to open the evaluation. Next, select Treatment Plan and scroll down to the drop-down menu for Recommended Treatment. Type in the newly created test code, and there it is. It's available for the evaluation note. We'll navigate to another demo patient's case list and open a case. Then, access the progress note. As before, select View/Edit. Next, click on Treatment Plans and scroll down to Recommended Treatment. Type in the test code, and the corresponding treatment should appear as an option. If we want the code to be included in the recertification note instead of the evaluation note, we just need to return to the Treatment/CPT code page and edit the newly created code. Uncheck the box for Evaluation and check the one for Recertification. Now, let's return to our demo patient, Susan. Click on Notes, and with the same case, edit the evaluation note using our updated CPT code. Once the note is opened, go to Treatment Plan. It should not appear in the drop-down menu when searching for recommended treatments. Go back to the Notes page and select the Recertification note this time. Check if the CPT code appears under the recommended treatments. Follow the same steps as before. Select View Edit after clicking the Actions button, then click Treatment Plan. Type 12345 in the Recommended Treatment drop-down menu. It should appear as an option for users to choose. Thank you all for participating in the tutorial on assigning CPT codes to multiple note types. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out.